Today we will learn gram staining, and you will learn it by yourself. We will not spoon feed you like do this, do that step. The steps will be shown here and you will have to perform it on your own. We have told you how staining is done. We have told you what are the different type of stains. Now gram stain, the differential stain, you will do it for yourself. Is it clear? So staining techniques we already know: simple, negative, differential, special. Okay. Simple staining का example बताओ. Do you know any examples of simple staining? Methylene blue. Negative staining. I have seen some of you have done negative staining wrong in your copies. If you have done Cryptococcus diagram, it should have India ink, right? It is done with India ink or Negrosin. If it is done with India ink, the background should be black. I have seen some of you do it red. Don't do it red or blue, it's black. One of you hasn't done the background. So what is the purpose of negative staining? To stain the background black, right? So one of you need to correct that thing. And differential staining, we have gram stain. We'll focus on gram staining today. It is used to differentiate between? Okay. So we'll learn the procedure. We'll know a little bit of theory and examples. Already you know from the morphology class, we know the examples. Gram staining principle is based on two theories: pH theory or the cell wall theory. So anybody has any questions? Okay. So I will give you a briefing of this. Gram positive have a thicker cell wall. Gram negative has a thinner cell wall. So by virtue of structure, the cell wall theory, by virtue of structure, due to the presence of lipopolysaccharides in case of gram negative bacteria, it is disrupted by the decolorizer. We will learn the constituents of gram staining also. Okay. So it is disrupted by the decolorizer and forms giant holes. When it is stained by grams iodine, in the first step, when it is stained by grams iodine, it forms a crystal violet iodine complex inside the cell wall, in the cytoplasm. First gram staining you will do. First step is you will put crystal violet. Second step is iodine. Third step is the decolorization. Fourth step is the safranin. These are the 4 steps of gram staining. So after the 2 steps, it will form a CVI complex, crystal violet iodine complex, inside the cell wall, and hence it will retain the stain for a longer time since it cannot come out. In case of gram negative bacteria, that is, I am talking about gram positive, the previous case was gram positive. In case of gram negative bacteria, due to the presence of lipopolysaccharides, the lipopolysaccharides form a bigger permeability. It lets the CVI complex out because it creates bigger pores. Okay, that is why it cannot retain the primary stain, that is the crystal violet, and hence it is stained by safranin, which is the secondary stain. It was developed by Hans Christian Gram, 1884. The primary stain is crystal violet. We'll use here gram iodine, which acts as mordant. What is mordant?
It is like
Yes, exactly like glue. Okay, iodine helps fix the stain in the within the cell wall. Okay, what did I say? It forms a CVI complex, right? It forms a mordant. Mordant मतलब चिपका के रखना. Okay, and decolorizer we use acetone or we can use alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Okay, 95%. And counterstain, safranin and carbonyl fusion. Here we use safranin. Procedure will be: you take a non-greasy slide. First label it. A drop of saline is poured at the center. From the culture media, you will take a scoop of the sample and you will emulsify it. Okay, on the center. Today you will not do this part. This part is already done. You will be given the slides. But the next part, the 4 steps of gram staining, you will need to do today by yourself. Okay. These are the examples. I think you are already aware of all these examples, GPC, GNC, whatever, right? This is how it will look. The gram positive cocktail will, you will see it as purple circular. Gram negative cocktail will be pink circular. Gram negative bacilli will be pink elongated, and gram positive bacilli will be purple elongated. Okay. Now, what are the steps of gram staining? These are the steps, okay? First of all, the primary staining. We'll use crystal violet and dye the slide for 1 minute, okay? We'll pour it and keep the slide for 1 minute. After that, we'll rinse it with water, under indirect water. Second step, we'll flood the smear with grams iodine. We'll keep it for 1 minute again and then rinse with water. This is the second step. The third and the most crucial step of gram staining is the decolorization. If you decolorize it more, even in case of gram positive bacteria, the stain will be removed. So you cannot keep it for more than 2 to 3 seconds. Since we are using acetone, we will deal with acetone, and for acetone it is 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. So if you keep it more than 2 to 3 seconds, the gram positive bacteria will also release the gram primary stain. Okay, and it will take up safranin. Okay, and in case of step 4, you will put the safranin, wait for 30 seconds, and then rinse it with water. Okay. Is there any question? The steps, everything. Summary. Okay, this one. Okay. First is primary stain. Primary stain will deal with crystal violet. For how long will you keep it? You'll pour it, you'll keep it for 1 minute and then rinse with indirect water. Okay. That day we taught you how to rinse it in case of methylene blue. We told you, right, how to rinse it under indirect water. Okay. So you will do the same with crystal violet. You will rinse it under water after 1 minute, and then you will flood the entire smear with grams iodine, and then you will keep it for 1 minute again. After keeping for 1 minute, you will again rinse it with water, and then the most crucial step, the decolorization. What you will use? Acetone. For how long? Will you count 1, 2, 3 seconds? Then how will you do? Pour and rinse. Okay. That is the duration, 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. And the final step, you will use safranin here. For 30 seconds, you will pour. After pouring, you will wait for 30 seconds, and then you will rinse it and allow it to dry. You remember how to dry? You will not blow on it. You will not use. What you will not use? You will not. ऐसा फू नहीं मारना है, ठीक है किसी पे भी. So it will appear like this: the gram positive as violet, and the gram negative is pink. You already know all of this. You have seen gram positive and gram negative organisms right under the microscope. We have all shown you. So now we will start with the staining methods. Okay, let's go.
Push. Do it inside the basin. Do it inside the sink. Do it inside the sink. I want Vita and Sinai to make sure your batchmate is doing it properly. Okay? Because we have done it for one person. You have to make sure that the particular one doing it properly. Take a look at this one.
The water is taken down.
After that, we will fix it with the gram side.
What is the distance of the microscope in case of Mordant?
Light source and
बस आपने जो भी बताया तुम लोगों ने सुना. When you wash your slide, it should be under the laminar flow, not in the finger. Why?
So that will be dependent over the
Laminar flow concept is
how much you get of the
इसमें मतलब कि तो बिल्कुल until there is a single drop of water, that is the laminar flow water. So how much water break होगा?
You should put the enough so that both are both smear. Only the smear. The smear, our very talented lab technician, she has circle the smear with the marker. And you should be able to see the smear. Otherwise, the smears will get
उतना नहीं आया इसलिए फिजिक्स में
उसमें मेरी कोचिंग में मिला नहीं जनरल कैटेगरी 590 इस पर फिर उसके बाद दोबारा एक डिग्री वाले हो गए first step acetone. Remember, before you start the acetone, you should always start the tap. Okay? And in the tap, put a few drops, and then you can do it. Okay? So, because this is your slide, you should air dry it. You should air dry it. Fast. Air dry it.
you will see one microscope.
Are you guys enough? उसके बाद सर
Central part is nice
This
enough. This here is
is Counterstain.
this here is guided. In this case, you have tried. We will use a good test to try.
First wash. So what are the settings of the microscope? What is the Counterstain for how long? 700 XP, light source 100 होना चाहिए, diaphragm 100 पूरा होना चाहिए, फिर सेकंड आईडी टाइप सब पूरा होना चाहिए, और प्लस वैल्यू फिर diaphragm पूरे के बाद सेट सोलारिस पूरा फुल सेट उसके बाद आप फिर आप डाल के 100 steps करके स्लाइड
Can you understand what he is saying? You have to get used to focusing this mess. Therefore, you will do it on your own.
You see any problem with the slide? What do you have to watch that leg mounted? Okay, so now in the meantime these are getting dry. Let us tell you what is the difference between India. The focus नहीं आता, मतलब ये artifact. दोबारा नहीं. Do you guys know something? This is a fine adjustment of the pore saturation. Okay? Please do this.
If not that clear, it will be
Usually,